Okay, hello, I'm Miguel for English Phonetics Task 5 Pronunciation Practice. So I'm going to start with the first point, reading. Read the following text, try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind reading, intonation, and stress. Teacher protests. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They see that there must be more staff in schools. Schools see that is not money. However, teachers don't believe that. They see that school spends the money on different things. Second point, minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners, then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sounds. Cat, bat, white, wise, ride, road, kite, night, take, stick, cut, pin, bin, till, peel, teach, pitch, they, pay, thee, pick, deal, peel, that, buck, date, bait, toll, coal, tool, cool, tape, cape, toad, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tap, gat, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, fail, ton, fun, tick, vic. Intonation and stress. Statement with 3 stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with 4 stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statement with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest bulletins, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did you say? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you have some help? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, raising intonation. May I speak to Elia, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions falling or raising intonation. You don't know then, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me it's true. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Request raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, raising intonation. Elia, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating reason intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. So I hope that you're learning with the pronounce practice, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.